It is the second part of the session. In the first part, we discussed and analyzed about the law perspective of registration of nutraceutical product which must be considered. Now we proceed for the practical filling of form and manipulation of data before proceeding of nutraceutical product. Okay, as it is stated in the first part of this session and this video that SRO 412 of alternative medicine, it is the main the rules which are made under the SRO 412. These are the rules used for the registration of nutraceutical product in all of the matter which deals the nutraceutical products. Let's start the proceeding of the application for registration of nutraceutical product. Okay, so this is my main screen and here I made a folder for new product. Okay, I entered this and I then made three folders. Okay, I just here paste one folder for raw data. Okay, second folder I place here for the scan data, and third folder I place here for the form 3 data. Okay, so these three folders must be placed while starting the application. Okay, so first of all we should place here the form 3. We paste here the word page, that is, and name it is like form 3. Okay, open this. Okay, this is opened. Okay, now this is the full blank page, and how we can prepare it and how we can. Okay, this is the blank page. Now I open two windows and I paste form 3 from the SRO 412 of alternative medicine. Okay, I copy this form from here and paste here. Okay, this is the form 3 and we will fill one by one for proceeding of our application. Okay, we centralize it and we adjust little bit, little bit we adjust the pages. Okay, so here this page is only for the covering, and now we are going to fill the covering page. How we will fill the covering page? So let's start from the beginning. This is form 3C, rule 3 of 3. This is the reference for this form. Okay, and the reference of SRO is 412 SRO of alternative medicine. Okay, so application for enlistment of locally manufactured indigenous Unani medicinal, herbal medicinal product, homeopathic medicine or health product for traditional use, nutritional or structure function claim. Okay, this is our main target. Okay, we can use this form for other type of product like Unani medicine, herbal medicine, etc., which is stated here. We should keep as it is these details. Okay, we should not delete or edit any of thing here. Also attach readable soft copy with the application. Okay, we should not edit anything or we should not replace anything here. Okay, IV here we will place the name of the owner, and let's say for example the name of the owner is Bilal Ahmad. Okay, we will underline this. Next here of which company? Okay, of MS. Here we place the name of the company. Okay, let's say the name of the company is Bilal Ahmad channel private limited. Okay, let's say we underline this. Okay, this was the second point which is filled. Okay, next, hereby apply for enlistment of following product manufactured by firm company that is has already applied as manufacturer located at the premises is under. Okay, here we will place the address of the company. Okay, let's say I place here the address of the company as what is this? Okay, let's say the address of the company is ABC Street, DEF City, and GHI, for example, and this is for example my address. Okay, let's say the first opening covering part is okay. Now we will move to next part. We will adjust this page little bit. Is okay, now it is okay. Okay, this is the format which is to be filled for the covering page. We should underline also this. Okay, this is okay. Now we will proceed to the next page. In the next page, here it is product profile. What is there in product profile? In the form which is already mentioned is what are the content which should be included here. So the first part, that is product profile, the contents under the product profile. First of all, we made a table for this and place all this content in table. So how many column should be there for this? 1 2 3 4 5 and serial number, that is 6. We will place the brand name at the top. Okay, then here we will place a six column. It is, these are the columns. Sorry, there are some issues here. Okay, we will place 6 columns here. Okay, so we will increase the number of rows. Okay, now we will place one by one in this column. This is this list of ingredient with the strength. Okay, this is placed. Recommended use, this is placed. Pack size, this is placed. Maximum retail price, this is placed. Okay, so now we cut this and all the information now are in the form of table. Okay, this should be cutted. Okay, there is one thing, that is product name. I place this detail below this and at the top I merge all this and the proposed brand name is placed here. Okay, ब्रांड नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट फॉर एग्जांपल मैं रख देता हूँ लेट्स से ब्रांड नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट मैं रख देता हूँ माउस. ठीक है, ये माउस मैंने रख दिया इसका नाम, फॉर एग्जांपल जो प्रोडक्ट मैं बना रहा हूँ. ठीक हो गया. अब इस लिस्ट में हमारे पास क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट है? ये सारे इंग्रेडिएंट है जो कि हमारे पास फॉर्म 3 में थे. ओके, सीरियल नंबर को मैं 1 से स्टार्ट करता हूँ 2 हो गया, 3 हो गया, 4 हो गया, 5 हो गया, 6 हो गया, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से। ओके, लिस्ट ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट में फॉर एग्जांपल इस प्रोडक्ट में मैं कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ। ए इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, बी इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, सी इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, डी इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, ई इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, एफ इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ। ओके, these are not that like, but these are the excipients and API. The product contains API and excipients. Okay, so the name of that ingredient, the chemical name of these ingredients are placed here. Now next is about the common name. There are chemicals having the IUPAC name, having the pharmacopoeial name, having the common name. If we know the common name of the chemical, we place here the common name of the chemical. And if there is no common name of, or if we do not know the common name of the chemical, we can place the same name is here placed in the list of ingredient here. Okay, because there are a lot of chemicals which are imported and we do not know the common name of these chemicals, and we place the same name here. Okay, next is the recommended use. Recommended use, first of all we merge this. Okay, while we deal with the nutraceutical product, we simply write here supplement for good health. Okay, or if we have only one active ingredient, then we specifically write the use of that ingredient. Okay, nutraceutical products are not the prescribed products, but still we generalize the recommended use in the form of this. Okay, next is about the pack size. The pack size, what is the strategy of the management, and what is the dose. Here is no option or no strictness of the dose. So here we, for example, if we make the pack size of 10s, then we write here is 1 cross 10 s. Okay, sorry, 1 cross 10 s. If we also applicate for the pack size of 20, then we write like for example is 2 cross 10 s. Okay, this means that 2 are the number of blisters which are present inside the cotton, and one blister contains 10 tablets. Okay, this is like this. Or for the liquid dosage form, it is written as 120 ml bottle, for example, or it is written as for example 240 ml bottle or 60 ml bottle, for example. Okay, so it is written like this. It is decided by the management, and it is also decided by the market availability of that product, that in which pack size the product is available. So mostly we pick that pack size. Okay, here it is mentioned the maximum retail price. In application, here we just write as per SRO. So we generalize this by this. Okay, so the common name of ingredient, for example, at this time we have no common, and if we know the common name of that ingredient, we place here. Okay, so this is the product profile, and the product profile is okay. Now one thing is here, mouse, फॉर एग्जांपल ये मेन नेम है ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल अभी ये 50 मिलीग्राम स्ट्रेंथ की टेबलेट है, तो हम लिखेंगे माउस 50 मिलीग्राम टेबलेट. ओके, सो इससे हमें, सो फ्रॉम दिस डिटेल वी कैन नो द स्ट्रेंथ, we can know the dosage form, and we can know the main name of the chemical, and we can know the main name of the product. Okay, so but before, so the table which was in the form 3 is now available in this form. Okay, next we discuss the another point, that is master formula. Oh, one thing is remaining. List of ingredient with strength. What is the strength of individual ingredient which is used in the formulation of this product? Okay, we now place one another column. Okay, we resize it. List of ingredient here, and here we place strength. Okay, strength, for example, this is number one, the A ingredient, this is the active ingredient, let's say, so it is 50 milligram. 50 milligram. B is 2 milligram, let's say. C is 3 milligram. D is, let's say, 64 milligram. E is 28 milligram. And F is, for example, it is the coating material water. So let's say we write as QS. QS means quantity sufficient. So this table is now in the ready-made form which we can proceed in our application. Okay, because this table contain all the requirements which are there in the form 3. Okay, next we move for the master formula. Okay, now for the master formula we prepare a table first. The same table which is placed above is picked and pasted here. Here we delete these columns. Okay, and here this column is expanded. Okay, no, this is not expanding. Then we first resize this and then expand the whole column. Okay, now we place, let's say we place this out of the table and we delete this table, this row, and we delete this row. Now little bit setting. Okay, now we set the table little bit. Okay, these content of the table are centralized. Okay, so we pick the same table from the profile and place here. So we made little bit changes, and how to make these changes, it is in front of you. Here we just write quantity per batch, quantity per batch. Here we write quantity per unit dosage form. Let's say we are formulating table, so quantity per tablet. Okay, so there is a question point, that how can we calculate the quantity per batch from the quantity per tablet?